Yung counsel mo, pwede nandun sa likod para you can advise him. Are you ready?
Mr. Chair, I wish I can make a few clarificatory questions before we start. But these are prejudicial questions, Mr. Chair.
Later. Let's hear first from the principal witness this morning.
No, but these are prejudicial questions.
Okay,
Mr.
go ahead,
Chair.
go ahead.
Foremost to my mind, Mr. Chair, is the integrity, the impartiality, and the objectivity of the proceedings of this committee. Mr. Chair, you were interviewed on Billionario Channel by Ms. Pinky Wen. Basahin ko po, sabi niya, Senator Ping, para sa inyo, sino ba ang sabihin natin worth it or dapat na i-considera na state witness na ipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program? And you responded, at this point between Diskaya and Bryce Hernandez, Mr. Chair, question is, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No. That's my perspective, no? That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion.
I am not questioning your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the chairman of this committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo an investigator, we are investigating.
May kagat tayo rito.
Mr. Chair, we are still investigating. Mr. Chair, nag-i-investigate muna tayo. The point is, an investigator cannot be judged the same time. Do not judge.
We are not judging.
No, ang importante rito is the objectivity, sinasabi ko na sa'yo
Are you trying to steal the show?
No.
Are you trying to steal the show?
No. I am raising prejudicial question. I am, sinasabi ko, Mr. Chair, sinabi ko na sa iyo, the interest of this committee is the impartiality, the objectivity. Saan mo kayo magbibigay ng opinion? Why did you choose, for example, Bryce? Over to this guy?
My opinion. You cannot question my opinion. Outside of this hall, you cannot question my opinion.
I am questioning your opinion because you are the chairman of this committee, Mr. Chair.
What's your opinion?
Ang mangyayari nito, so, mas credible si Bryce kaysa Diskaya. Bakit gano'n? Why are we trying to prejudge this? Hindi, Mr. President, we are still in the process of investigation. If we are in the process of investigation, then we should not judge.
Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba natin i-record ito? Palagi nyo sinasabi, I am protective of the Diskaya. When I was chairman of this committee, sinabi ko na sa inyo, the only remedy provided under the law is for them to apply if they qualify under the process of Witness Protection Program. That's all what I did.
Session is resumed. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
I am questioning the proceedings, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of this proceedings. If you will not allow me to raise this point, maybe in the plenary this afternoon I will raise it.
Go ahead. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed with your statement.
Your Honor, okay lang po bang makapagbigay ko ng opening statement po?
Proceed.
Ano ba gagawin natin dito? Ipag-proceed kayo without hearing yan?
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Tinatanggap ko po na ako po ay bilang kasagot ng maraming tanong sa mga nakakaraang araw. Ito ang maproteksyonan ang institusyon na aking minarasyon sa 30 taon. Ako po. Dahil sa itong mga nakangaraw, ako po ay nakapag-isip-isip. Matulong na lamang po sa aking investigation ito. Kaya po ba?